tower going up here to our northeast, just south of Goulburn at the moment. Okay, this storm developed just north of that earlier Bungonia pimple. It might go on. It all depends if it takes a dislike to the sea breeze or not. Nice updraft there in front of us. We're on the Hume Highway. Hopefully we can find somewhere off the Hume Highway to get this storm. My guess is it's probably somewhere between here and Marulan. Now the big question is what will happen after it hits the sea breeze. My feeling is this is not even going to give us a bolt. But can't say we're not going to try. Now this storm's going to die. The best storm is probably 75 kilometres to our southeast, coming up from Braidwood, heading for Nerriga. Okay, we're heading towards Windelamar. We have a storm coming up from Braidwood and it's on track to go towards Nerriga. Now, my hope is that it backbuilds a bit, and there does seem to be a bit of a raggedness to our south there. Unfortunately, we're in the forest. It's as black as anything though. Okay, we're in Currawang Road or Currawong Road. It runs from Goulburn towards Collector, but we're going to try to get into the Tarago turnoff to try to hook onto this stuff that's to our east here. Okay, the road makes a good southwest swing here shortly, so, and then almost southeast into towards Tarago. So we'll give that a go. Now, do I head north or do I head east? This is more like it. It's been a fair bit of rain here. Again, not a single hailstone to be seen anywhere. And we're like 10 minutes behind it, maybe. Okay, looking at the leaf litter, it probably was hail here. It's melted really quickly if that was the case. I think what happened, if we go north, we'll probably, no, we'll miss it. It's good looking anyhow. I need to take a photo of this. hailstorm east of Tarago. You can see there stretched outflow boundary.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please feel free to like and even subscribe, or click on the link to watch another video.